Hello everyone. In just a moment, you're about to embark on an extraordinary journey through the voice of none other than Zeus himself. From the depths of his secret birthplace to his ascension as the supreme ruler of Olympus, prepare to be captivated by the epic tale of power, rebellion, and destiny. Get ready to dive deep into the mythology and witness the story of Zeus as he narrates his legendary battle for freedom and justice against his father Kronos. Join us as we unravel the saga that shaped the pantheon of gods. The adventure begins now.
I am Zeus. I, the sovereign of the heavens and earth, Zeus, narrate my own saga, the rise of a god and his deepest battle, sharing every emotion, thought, and moment I've experienced. This is the story of my struggle against my father Kronos, a fight for freedom and justice. In the mysterious caves of Crete, I was born under the protection of my mother Rhea. With my first breath, I was marked as a symbol of freedom and resistance. My childhood in the cave, amidst the wild nature, under the tender care of Amalthea and amidst the war cries and sword dances of the Curetes, laid the foundation of my character, my passion for freedom and quest for justice rooted in these early years. As I grew, so did my anger and desire for revenge against my father Kronos. The silent screams of my siblings, swallowed by him, carved deep wounds in my soul. My rage against Kronos' tyranny defined my life's purpose: to rescue my family, end his injustice, and rewrite my destiny as a god. With Metis' intelligence and strategy, I planned my confrontation against my father. Presenting him with the aging potion, my resolve and courage were stronger than any fear. Witnessing my siblings regain their freedom replaced years of accumulated anger and sorrow with a sweet sense of victory. Yet the real battle was just beginning. Our war against the Titans, Titanomachia, was a relentless conflict that lasted 10 years. This battle tested not only physical strength and power, but also intelligence, strategy, and the bonds of brotherhood. My siblings and I, with our belief and unity, managed to defeat my father and his allies. This victory brought not only the throne, but also marked the end of an era and the beginning of a new age. My clash with my father Kronos not only shaped me as a warrior, but also as a leader. This battle taught me that justice and freedom could overcome any difficulty or obstacle. My deep anger and desire for revenge against my father empowered me, giving me the courage to reshape my fate. Now, sitting on the throne of Olympus, looking back, I see every battle and struggle as steps that led me to where I am today. My love and gratitude for my siblings and supporters form the foundation of our new order. My struggle against my father Kronos not only made me the Lord of the heavens and earth, but also a symbol of justice, freedom, and courage. This story, my story, is a tale of a god's struggle for freedom and justice, the courage to stand against tyranny and injustice. And now, at the dawn of this new age, I remind you of your power to shape your own destiny, and that justice, freedom, and courage will always triumph.
That concludes our journey with Zeus, from his hidden birth to becoming the ruler of Olympus. If you enjoyed this mythological adventure and want more, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our channel. Don't miss out on any epic tales. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.